everyone, how are you today? And welcome to today's science experiment. We are going to be doing a tornado. Wow, that's exciting, a tornado. So first, I'm going to tell you that you need glitter. If you don't have glitter, it's okay. You can just do it without glitter. You need washing up liquid and some water. And I'm using a jar because a jar has a secure lid you can put on tightly. But you can also use a water bottle, something where you can place the lid on quite tightly and it will stay secure. So we're going to make our tornadoes. Are you ready? So first we get our water and put our water into, well, I'm using a jar, so we're going to put it into the jar. Just not to the top, just to where the curve is, or beginning, more or less about here. So our water is in our, oops, like this. Okay? Once this is done, you get your washing up liquid. Just put a drop, not too much, just a little bit. I'm going to put a drop. There we go, that's a drop. Just like this. And then I'm going to get my glitter. So I have two. I'm using, what color is this? Silver gray. Red. Okay, so I'm going to pour it on. Like this. And then I'm going to get the gray. Okay, so at this point you have a choice. You can either use a spoon to make it a little bit separate or just spin it a little bit like this, what I'm doing. Yeah, so then we have a little bit of glitter kind of everywhere. If you think you need more, then add in more. So I'm going to add in a little bit more red. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to spin it around just so the glitter spreads out okay. Alright, once there is no huge bumps and huge collections of glitter at the top, put on your lid as tightly as you can and move everything out the way. And we're going to make a tornado. So at this point you have a choice. You basically need to move it in a circle. You can move it like this. You can move it with one, whatever you feel. Make sure it's secure on top. Are you ready? So I'm going to do it like this. A lot. And can we see our tornado? Wow, let's do it again. So we're going to spin it like this, or you can do it with one, with a lot of, there we go, and we can see it. Wow, look at our tornado. Should we do it one more time? So spin. Oh, there we go. Just like this. Can you see that? Wow. Well, I'd love to see you guys have a go. Maybe show me a video or a picture. Maybe draw a picture of what your tornado looks like, if it looked like this. Well, thank you so much, everyone, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.